We've got Afroman. I don't know if anyone remembers Afroman. You know, the song Because I Got High. Well, Afroman, about 3 years ago, had his house raided by local police. They went through all his house. He caught it all on CCTV, inside and outside. Um, I don't know the full details. What I do know is they didn't find any drugs. There was supposed to be a kidnap victim there. They didn't find any kidnap victims. You know, it just looked like it was a bit of a stitch up. And apparently, they really destroyed his home doing this search. He was still reasonable about it and asked the police force, you know, will they be covering the cost of repairs? And the police force apparently really smug about it, have basically, you know, laughed it off. So since then, Afroman's used the footage and used his musical talent to basically make music videos and make a whole album dedicated to this police force. I think each song is one of the individual officers. Apparently, one officer was done for some something to do with a minor later on and was charged. Another officer was talking about his wife. You know, he's really gone in on him. So the police force have took Afroman to court, to civil court, to basically sue him, to make him have to take the videos down, stop making any more videos, and to sue him for using their images without their consent, and it's caused them all distress. Now, apparently, you had officers taking the stand in this case, crying on the stand of how it affected them, obviously milking it, you know, to really try and push home. And Afroman's had a verdict. He's had a verdict in the trial. So we're going to have a quick look at the verdict. And then I'm going to have a scan through on X. And we're going to see if we can see a few. This is actually Afroman's X page. And we're going to actually see if we can see some, because I haven't ahead of time pre-planned this. I've just literally got his page up. I know the verdict. I know the outcome. And I seen it on someone else's channel the other day. But I thought we'll go through his page and we'll see if he's got some of his videos. Some of his songs are actually quite catchy. And they're really, really funny. Like, he's really stuck it to him. I've seen some of the footage of him in court, and he really, really stood his ground. Fair play to him. Fair play to him. He really stood his ground. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's take a look at the verdict. Let's see how it's turned out for him.
It's been an emotional case. It's been a well-tried case. The lawyers did what they should do. The parties did what they should do. I just want to remind everybody that how the verdict comes out isn't something of public comment. So if you have an emotional attachment to the verdict, don't express it. Wait till you get out of the building before you let your emotions out.
There's a few people have got emotional attachment.
The jury finds in favor of the defendant. No plaintiff verdict prevailed. It's been an emotional case. It's been.
Yep, quick as that. So basically, Afroman won the whole case. They lost the case against him. He's defended himself well. So yeah, he doesn't have to. I'm assuming they're gonna have to pay all his court costs. And yeah, let's check out. Let's have a look. Let's check this video. Give it to him. You've got to give it to Afroman. He's literally like, he's just. What would you say? He's the man. He's just the man. He's taking it to him. Let's have a look. Let's see what else we've got. So.
Was he the chief of People's?
He was.
Why did he leave?
Why does it matter?
Your Honor, it has been brought up because one of the images has William Newland, and as you read through the post actually talks about Mr. Newland leaving the police department, so therefore I am building a foundation to show the truth of what statements are in there.
Is that the reference to the plaintiff's picture?
It's a reference to one of his exhibits, yes. Give me a second, I'll tell you which exhibit.
As long as it refers to that exhibit, I get where you're going, so you can keep going.
I'll re-ask the question. Why did your brother leave the People's Police Department?
He was charged with some kind of crime through Adams County Prosecutor's Office. He was subsequently convicted, and he resigned or quit.
Crimes against a minor.
And It is a fair statement to say it involved minor children?
Yep.
I really don't know anything about the investigation.
You don't know anything about your brother's crime he was charged with?
Just what I've seen on Joe.
Look at this
Tucker in
idiot
the
smiling
past.
on the
So you're not
stand.
close to your
Thinks
brother?
it's funny.
I'm not real.
Okay. Are you close to your family then?
Yeah, most of my family.
Then why not your brother who's in law enforcement?
He's a pedo.
Well, we were both in the Army at the same time, separate parts of the world. We kind of got close again, and then once this, his issues happened, we kind of just drifted apart again.
So you drifted apart once he had a criminal problem.
Correct.
Let's talk about that. Has anybody asked you about that prior to 2022 when he was charged?
No.
No one asked you about your brother?
I'm sorry. Like before he was charged and it came out to everybody? No.
Get to that. We have to go through false light first. So does it paint you in a false light?
Yes, that my wife is cheating on me with Mr. Foreman.
But we all know that's not true, correct?
I don't know.
Imagine having to do
But you
this.
don't know if your wife's cheating on you or not?
You want to go there?
No, I just want to ask that question because you said we don't know. I just
Been
need
with
the
that
answer.
woman since middle school.
I know.
I would hope she wouldn't. But you know what? Once somebody puts it out there for their fun and entertainment, it's out there. And it's a problem.
So it's something we cannot verify the truth of?
Getting under his skin.
Is it a thing that can be verified, true or false?
Ask your client.
Getting right under his skin.
Pussy vibe, pizza. Sometimes she won't lick 'em low.
What's his son?
Lick 'em low, Lisa. She raided my house. She disconnected my cameras. Then she went down on my spouse. I just don't know what I'm gonna do. Y'all keep on laughing. She gonna eat your wife's pussy. Lick 'em low, Lisa. Lick 'em
No.
low, Lisa. Pussy vibe, pizza.
Nah.
Lick 'em low.
He is something else. He is something. No wonder there was fuming. Look at his face. Oh, brilliant. Honestly, brilliant. Let's see. Is this Tate? What's Tate gonna say?
They raided Afroman's house for kidnapping, just like me, and there's no victims. Why didn't I make a song? The crooked cops hit me with the same shit, kidnapping, and there's no victims. Why didn't I make a song?
No narcotics. Let me ask you something, officer.
Ooh, this is the best song ever. Fucking legend.
Absolute legend. Absolute
Yeah, well, why were you
legend.
going through my wardrobe? Are there any kidnapping victims in my suit pockets? Banger. All right. I know what I'm listening to tonight.
Oh my god. Absolute. Look at this legend. What an absolute geezer. Oh, here he is. Is this when he? This looks like when he's won. Get it back. Some volume on it. Yeah. Stick it to him, Afro Man. And look, counter lawsuit is next. Go on. Fucking fair play. Fair play. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, well, there's Afroman sticking it to the police force. You know, really sticking it to the police force. Honestly, I've heard some of the other songs. I couldn't see them on there. I didn't want to just keep scrolling down. You know, but absolutely hilarious. Go check it out. Go have a look at some of his songs. His songs, that Pound Cake song. When you listen to it, this I'll just sit there. This song. Hold on. Is this? Let me just see if it's playing the actual song. They're not playing it in court. They're playing it in court.
The Adams County Sheriff kicked down my door. Then I heard the glass break. They got no kidnapping victims, just some living pound cake. Living pound cake.
Wicked.
Wanna put down his block. Living pound cake. Trending on TikTok.
They're playing this in the court, though. Do you understand? They're playing this in the court. All the cops that have brought him here, and he's going to sit there and look at the reaction on their faces live. I mean, that's worth its weight in gold. That's just worth its weight in gold. Even if you lost the case, it would just be worth it just to see their faces, live reaction. Let's forward this. Let's see. Want to see?
You would have
And look.
about it there. So you've seen Exhibit D, correct?
Mm-hmm.
You would admit that's you with the glasses walking by a lemon pound cake on the counter?
Yes.
And that is security footage from the search of Mr. Foreman's residence?
I assume, yes.
But there's no question that's you during the search.
Yes.
There is question or there's
No, that was me.
Eyeing up the pound cake. They've played it in court. They've played that in court in front of them. Brilliant. This is this is, you see a lot of like bad news and all this politics and things going on in the world. This is beautiful, especially for someone from the UK. How our free speech has been trampled all over since the Labour Party got in, and to see this is just priceless. Look at the picture. Cop asked whether he can prove Afroman doesn't have sex with his wife. Like, they're just getting took through the court. They've just took him to court, but they've just put themselves on telly to get dragged live through the mud. This is another. Oh, it's a GIF. Look at his face. What? And guaranteed, all these videos, he's gonna make more songs now, and look at all the material they've just given him. Look at all the material and all the publicity. You know, I hope he makes millions out of this. I hope he makes millions. You know what? In fact, I'm pretty sure he's got these songs on Spotify. I'm gonna look. Let me just have a quick look, because if he has, this is brilliant. Let me just have a look. Oh, he has. He's got them on. Hold on. Hold on a minute. Lemon pound cake. Lemon pound cake. Look, can you see? He's got a load of them on here. Oh yeah. I think he's got, because I did hear they got an album. Yep. New release, single, Getting It Back. Let's hear this one.
I got the strings, I got first place. I got the. Then I gotta go get the pros. Then it's time to go get the road.
Don't know if that one's on them. Oh, so he's got an album. Okay, so he's got an album because I said this was on. This was from 3 years ago. So if you want to go look it up, look, he's got an album called Lemon Pound Cake, and he's got a handful of songs on there. Oh, I'm downloading this. This is, yeah, he's got a load of songs on there. So guys, if you can, go find the album on Spotify, download it, play the songs. Let's help him like hit millions. Let's help him make millions, because this is just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, that's Afroman. Let's just get the picture. Look at him, the governor, Afroman. Go download. Go to Spotify. Go download. Support Afroman. Yes, doing it for free speech.